In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right subscription plan in Filmora AI. We'll walk through the official site together, compare what each plan includes, and help you match the options to your needs so you can edit confidently without overpaying. Start by heading to the official Wondershare Filmora website. On the homepage, look for the pricing option in the top navigation and click it. This takes you to the full list of plans. First, choose the Individuals section if you're a solo creator, freelancer, or hobbyist. On the Individuals page, you'll see the basic plan. This gives you access to over 2.9 million creative assets, 1 gigabyte of cloud storage, continuous version updates within the plan term, export in multiple formats without a watermark, 4K HD export, and more than 100 advanced editing features. You also receive 500 free AI Make conversations to help with creative assistance. If you're new to Filmora or you don't rely heavily on AI-powered effects, Basic is a strong, budget-friendly start that covers professional exporting and a deep tool set. Next is the Advanced plan. It includes everything in Basic, plus ongoing AI feature updates, 1,000 Filmora AI credits each month that can be used across 20 plus AI tools, and an upgrade to 10 gigabytes of cloud storage. Choose this if you plan to use AI-driven features frequently, like smart enhancements, effects, captions, and other time savers. The monthly AI credits are the key difference here. They power those premium AI tools and keep your workflow moving. You'll also see a perpetual option. This is a one-time license for the current major version, with 1,000 Filmora AI credits included, 2.9 million plus assets, 1 gigabyte of cloud storage, watermark-free multi-format exports, 4K HD export, and the same 100 plus advanced features. It includes updates for the current version, making it ideal if you prefer a one-time purchase and don't need ongoing monthly AI credits or frequent major upgrades. If you collaborate, switch to the Team and Business section. The Team plan includes all editing features, free updates, dedicated senior tech support, permission for company use, no attribution required, multi-user control, volume discounts, one-to-one sales reporting, and flexible payment options. It's designed for small to mid-sized teams that need centralized license management. For larger deployments with more than 5 users, select the business option and fill out the form to get a tailored plan and pricing. Finally, open the education section. Students can access discounted pricing, typically with simple eligibility verification. Educators can request a custom plan via the form, which is helpful for classrooms, labs, or curriculum needs. Compare your cloud storage needs, expected AI usage, and whether you require team controls. Then pick the plan that matches your goals and start creating with confidence.